Good morning, students. Today we'll learn what causes storm. Now, storms are formed along the margins of very large air mass which contains moisture, and moisture is from the evaporation of water bodies. Now, this rises or falls relative to each other. Now, you have already studied that when warm air mass pushed up against a mass of cooler air. See, warm air, you all know, will rise up. Okay, now and then this also you know that the cold air takes its place. Now, when this warm air mass is pushed up against a mass of cooler air, okay, now when if there is that means if the atmosphere is cooler and this warm air rises up, so what does this warm air do is that it tries to travel over the top of cooler air. इसके ऊपर से ट्रैवल करने की कोशिश करेगा एंड देन व्हाट विल इट डू, इट विल रैप अराउंड इट. ओके, इसके ऊपर पूरा आ जाता है रैप. एंड नाउ यू ऑल नो दैट कूलर एयर इज डेंस. So but what will happen, since this is dense, this will always go down only, so there is no chance of mixing. ये mix होगा नहीं. ओके, सो जो मूवमेंट है, मूवमेंट अलॉन्ग द फ्रंट ऑफ द टू एयर मास इज लाइक इट वॉज अ मूवमेंट अलॉन्ग सॉलिड सरफेस. जैसे सॉलिड सरफेस में होता वैसे है. एंड सिंस दिस ह्यूज मास ऑफ वार्म एयर, दिस इज रैपिंग अराउंड इट, इसके चारों तरफ आ गया. एंड दिस छोटा मोटा नहीं, इट इज़ अ ह्यूज मास ऑफ वार्म एयर. सो व्हेन इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू कम ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, व्हाट हैपन्स इज अ वैक्यूम लाइक कंडीशन इज क्रिएटेड. ओके, दिस वैक्यूम जो है, इतना ज़्यादा वैक्यूम हो जाता है कि जो कोल्ड एयर है इट कम्स एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ द स्टॉर्म. एंड दिस वार्म एयर कीप्स ऑन राइजिंग एंड इट बिगिन्स टू कूल, है ना. जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाता जाएगा वो कूल होता जाएगा. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट, बहुत ऊपर जाने पे के बाद द मॉइस्चर इन द एयर मास कंडेंसेस. ठीक है, इट गोज, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड व्हेन इट गोज वेरी हाई अप इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, इट इज कोल्ड देयर, सो इट विल कंडेंस देयर, एंड देन व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स कंडेंसिंग इट्स बिगिन्स टू फॉल एज रेन. So, usually all the storms often end with a shower. So there is a shower or there is a rain, and if it is this reaches to a very great height, this will condense to ice. So lightning and thundering are usually associated with storms. So this is how storms are created. Then we'll see how lightning is created. Now, lightning is usually a stream of flowing electrons. I have already explained you about electrons. Okay, so now what happens is actually the cloud contains both the charges. Okay, positive charge as well as the negative charges. Now, what happens is there is a flow of electrons. This is actually, it is randomly arranged. ठीक है. Now when it becomes heavy, when this cloud becomes heavy of charges, now it will arrange itself. The positive charges usually go up on the cloud and the negative charges comes down. Okay, so it's given here in the book. When the two fronts of negative charge and positive charge discharge lightning current, positive and negative charge, then उसके बाद when a huge mass of charged front of cloud discharge with the earth. Now अब ये कैसे होगा? There are two steps in this. First of all, what happens, this, as I told you, this arranges positive on top and negative will come on the lower surface. So and this will create a huge front of negative charge. अब ये जो negative charge है बहुत ही ज़्यादा होगा. So now what will happen, it tries to flow down. Now this huge negative charges repels electrons on the earth surface. Now you all know whenever there are two unlike charges, they will repel each other. So what happens is this, from the earth surface it goes deeper and deeper, this negative. Okay, and then this from the earth creating a front of positive charge on the earth surface. अब ये earth surface में से positive charge is getting attracted. Now what happens is when lightning occurs when two fronts discharge. Now what happens, this when this negative charge and positive charge will come closer, so there is a huge spark is evolved. बहुत ही भयंकर सा स्पार्क होता है. यू ऑल नो दैट इवन इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो, इफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज को तुम लोग पास में एक साथ ऐसे करके कर दोगे तो क्या होगा, देर विल बी अ शॉर्ट सर्किट. सो हियर ऑल्सो इट इज द सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग. नेगेटिव चार्ज, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, so a huge lightning is created, spark. It is actually an electric spark that you can see in the form of lightning. So it is because due to the negative and the positive charges coming closer to each other. So this is how lightning is created. Then thunderstorms, you all know that thunderstorms are the severe local storms accompanied by lightning and thunder. Now why do we see the lightning flash first? This you all know, we see the lightning flash first because the speed of sound wave is slower than the speed of light. Okay, so that is why the light travels faster and it reaches to our eyes immediately as compared to the speed of sound. Here it is given, the speed of the sound waves is very very slower than electron flow. So we hear it like a shock wave rather than ordinary sound wave. तो ये जो sound wave है हम लोग के पास, it does not reach as a sound but it refers like a shock wave. Okay, so now as we have discussed, if the margins of two large air mass get rotated, है ना, अगर two air masses, the cold air and the hot air, if it gets rotated, the storm very quickly becomes dangerous. अब ये जैसे जैसे मैंने बताया ना, vacuum, if the vacuum is created and if it gets rotated then it will become very very dangerous and this winds can wrap back on itself. And how does this happen? This happens when wind from other regions rush in. अलग अलग इधर से आ रहे हैं winds from all the direction and what will happen, it will start rotating. So it becomes very powerful and draws heat from the ocean. So because of this the storm intensifies. So tomorrow we'll study about the cyclones and we'll finish off with the chapter. So for today we'll wind up, children. Have a wonderful day.